All right, get this. AI that makes movies.
Whoa, really?
Yeah, not just like still pictures, but like actual moving pictures
Mm-hmm.
with soundtracks, all from a written description. It's Meta's movie gen,
Okay.
and it's causing like a stir.
Yeah, I bet.
So you give a line like a robot learning to ride a bike, and poof, 16-second film, just like that.
Wow.
No camera crew, no editing bays, just pure digital creation.
It's wild how far this tech has come. Like, so MovieGen takes those text descriptions and generates moving images, complete with actions, interactions, even camera angles. It's not just assembling pre-made clips. It's crafting like a visual story from your words.
It's like having like a digital director at your beck and call.
Right.
I read about someone prompting it with koala surfing on a yellow surfboard. Okay, and Movie Gen delivered.
Oh, wow.
They even managed to like get the physics of the wave right.
Hmm.
It's amazing.
That's a great example of how this is different from like, simpler AI image generators.
Right.
MovieGen doesn't just recognize objects, right?
Yeah.
It understands movement and action in a way that feels so lifelike, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
able to accurately portray that like complex action of a koala surfing.
Right.
Because it's learned to process the idea of balance, movement, even the physics of a wave, which is that's a level of sophistication like we just haven't seen before.
Right. And get this, it's not just about the visuals.
Oh, okay.
This AI can generate a synchronized soundtrack, like
Yeah.
adding another layer of immersion to these like mini movies.
Oh, wow. So it can do the music too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're talking up to 45 seconds of audio, background music, sound effects, even specific instruments.
Yeah.
You could practically hear the wind in the koala's fur as it rides that wave.
That's amazing. Hold on. Can you specify the kind of music you want? Like epic orchestral score or like funky jazz?
Absolutely. That's what we mean when we talk about like multimodal AI. So MovieGen can handle multiple types of data, text, image, A&D, sound, all interwoven seamlessly.
Wow.
So when you ask for a romantic scene with like soft piano music, it understands how each element contributes to the overall feel.
So it's like having a composer and a Foley artist bundled into one incredible AI package.
Yeah,
That's already pretty mind-blowing, but tell me there's more.
Oh, there's more. Let's talk video editing. Imagine uploading a clip, something you shot on your phone.
Okay.
Or even something MovieGen created.
Okay.
Now instead of like wrestling with editing software, you simply describe the changes you want.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So you're saying I can edit by typing.
Wow.
Like I could say make the sky bluer or add a dog wearing a hat.
Wow.
And MovieGen just does it.
That's incredible.
Yeah, precisely. Add, remove, change colors, adjust the lighting. You describe it, and the AI makes it happen.
Wow.
It has the potential to be like revolutionary for anyone creating video content, from
Yeah.
casual social media users to like seasoned professionals.
Yeah.
Okay, this is next level stuff.
Yeah.
But how does it work? How do you train an AI to be like such a visual storyteller?
Yeah. How does that work?
Yeah.
I mean, how do you even begin to teach an AI about things like plot and pacing and character development? Those are like inherently human concepts, right?
Yeah.
So it just seems like such a huge leap.
It does. It seems like a really big leap.
Yeah.
Well, Meta hasn't revealed like all its secrets,
Okay.
but they have shared that they used like a massive data set to train MovieGen. This data includes both publicly available material
Okay.
and content that they licensed. Essentially like giving the AI a crash course in visual language
Okay.
by exposing it to millions of examples of movies, videos, animations, you name it.
Interesting. So it's not just mimicking, right?
Right.
It's actually learning like the fundamental elements of filmmaking,
Right.
and then applying those rules in creative ways.
Yes.
Wow.
And early reviews suggest it's doing a remarkable job.
Really?
Critics are calling MovieGen's output like fluid and natural, which is high praise for AI generated content, especially considering like the buzz around AI these days. It seems like everyone's trying to create the next big thing.
Oh, for sure. For sure. So how does MovieGen stack up against the competition?
That is a great question.
Well, it's still early days, right? I mean, Meta hasn't released Movie Gen to the public yet.
Right.
So we haven't all had a chance to like take it for a spin.
The classic, it's in beta stage.
Right.
So we need to wait for like the official release before we
Yeah.
can, crown it the champion of AI filmmaking.
Exactly. But from what we've seen so far, it's definitely a strong contender.
Okay.
Some reports suggest that Movie Gen might even be surpassing competitors like Runway and Luma in terms of like, the quality and realism of its output.
Ooh.
Yeah.
A potential upset in the making.
Right.
But let's say Movie Gen like lives up to all the hype and then some.
Okay.
What does this mean for the future of filmmaking? Are we all going to be like replaced by robots with better imaginations?
Right. Well, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it?
Yeah.
While I don't foresee robots like, accepting Oscars anytime soon.
Okay. Tools like Movie Gen have the potential to like, democratize filmmaking in a big way.
You mean like give everyone the power to make their own movies?
Exactly. Imagine a world where anyone with a good idea,
right,
and an internet connection can bring that idea to life visually.
Yeah.
We could see like an explosion of creativity with people from all walks of life sharing their stories and perspectives through video.
That's an incredible thought.
All right.
No more needing like a huge budget or a fancy film crew to get your story out there.
Exactly.
But wouldn't that also mean a lot more, well, let's just say, interesting content online?
That's certainly a possibility.
Yeah.
I mean, the barrier to entry, right, for video content creation would be significantly lower.
Which could lead to both good and bad outcomes.
Right.
But amidst like a potential surge in content, we could also see, hidden talents emerge.
Right.
Voices that were previously unheard, giving the chance to shine.
It's like opening a Pandora's box, but for movies.
Yeah.
Exciting and a little daunting at the same time.
Right.
But even for those of us who aren't like aspiring filmmakers,
Right.
This AI could still impact our lives.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Think about how much video content you consume daily.
Yeah.
Social media, streaming services, even just news clips.
Right.
Tools like Movie Gen could change how that content is made, edited, and experienced.
Okay, now I'm really getting excited about the possibilities. I could already see myself scrolling through my personalized AI generated movie recommendations.
Right.
But seriously, this all makes you wonder, like where does human creativity fit into this new landscape?
Right.
If AI can make movies, what's left for us?
That's a profound question. What's important to remember is that AI tools like Movie Gen are just that. Tools. They're incredibly powerful and sophisticated, but ultimately they're driven by the data and instructions we provide.
So the human element is still crucial.
Absolutely. It's our creativity, our emotions, our unique perspectives that will continue to shape the stories we tell. Yeah. Even if the tools we use to tell them are evolving.
So instead of like replacing human storytellers, AI could actually like amplify them, giving us new ways to express ourselves and connect with each other. That's a much more like optimistic way to look at it.
It certainly is an exciting prospect, and it's not just limited to professional filmmakers. Imagine kids using AI to make their own animated shorts, or educators bringing historical events to life with incredible visuals. The possibilities are vast.
It feels like we're like standing on the edge of something truly transformative. It's a lot to wrap your head around.
It is, but that's what makes these deep dives so fascinating. We get to explore the bleeding edge of technology and grapple with its potential impact on our lives.
Absolutely. And in the case of Movie Gen, it's clear that this isn't just like a cool tech demo.
Right.
It represents a fundamental shift in how we think about creating 8D experiencing video.
Precisely. And as we've discussed with any new technology,
Right.
there will be challenges and the opportunities. It's up to us to use these tools responsibly and creatively to harness their power and shape a future where where AI enhances
Right.
rather than diminishes our human experience.
Well said. And on that note, I think it's time for us to wrap up this deep dive into the world of AI filmmaking.
Okay, sounds good.
But before we go, I want to leave you with a little something to ponder.
Oh, I do love a good cliffhanger.
If you can make a 16-second movie with just your words,
Yeah.
what story would you tell? Think about it, because Meta is going to be putting this power into the hands of everyone soon. So get those creative juices flowing, folks.
I know I am.
Me too. And who knows, maybe we'll see your AI generated masterpiece online someday. Until then, keep exploring, keep creating, and keep on diving deep.